Hey, so today I'm going to show you guys how you can draw cars using some simple shapes. If you take something with a circular bottom to it, you can put it onto a piece of paper and trace around it. Being careful not to let it move while you trace. Okay? After you have one circle, you're going to need to line it up with the bottom, the first one, to draw your second one. Try again not to let it move. If it moves, well, a very bumpy looking wheel for your car. After you have your wheels, you can put on the line that goes between them. That line holds the car together. After that, you have to decide what kind of car you have. If it's a fast car, it probably doesn't have bumpers. But the car I'm drawing is gonna have some bumpers. The bumpers protect the car from bumping into things. If you want yours to be a rounded car, put curves to it. If you want your car to be more square, don't put as many curves to it. We have to decide which is the front and which is the back. I think this is the back of the car, so that means the car is going that way. I'm going to put on a light up front and a light in the back. Now I have to figure out where the windows go. The windows in this car are going to be here. That means the driver sits here. The window for the front of the car is called the windshield, and that goes right here. The window for the driver and the window for the passenger in the back. Now we have to put on what are called the rims, and then maybe even the door handle so you can get into the car. After that, you can color it, make it look like you want. I'm gonna add a window in the back. Pretty cool and really easy. Now, if you want to make a car that looks like it's really fast, you just make it more pointy. And by pointy, I mean make it look like an arrow almost. Like it could cut through the wind real quickly. You'll see a lot of fast cars. They're very low to the ground. Okay, so you put a line a little closer to the ground, and I'm gonna come up on the back end like that, and only come forward a little bit before I start moving up and over the car. Now, at this point, you have to decide what kind of car do you want. Again, I'm gonna look for a faster car, so I'm gonna make mine go like this, up and over the tire, and then I'm going to stop there. The windshield will be here and make it kind of dip down like that and then curve back. A lot of cars have what's called a spoiler on them, like a little fin on the back that makes them look even faster. And then maybe the windshield can go there. And that looks like a pretty good car. Again, you're gonna want to put on what's called the rims. And those aren't very straight, are they? When you color them in, maybe they'll look better. And if they don't, it still looks like a car. Not anything to worry about. Some kids might want to make it look real fancy by putting on some details like this. Okay, now it's starting to look good. If you wanted a roof, you could put it on, but I think I'm gonna leave this one, what's called a convertible, which is the type of car that doesn't have a roof. When it rains, they have to stop and put their roof up. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this drawing. It was a lot of fun doing it. And if you draw one or a couple different cars, bring them in and show me. I'd love to see them.